हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, नाम हमारा होता गबलू बबलू, खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती है
छोटा बच्चा जान के ना कोई आंख दिखाना रे, टुपी टुपी टप टप, टुपी टुपी टप टप, अकल का कच्चा समझ के हमको ना समझाना रे, टुपी टुपी टप टप, टुपी टुपी टप टप, भोली सूरत जान के हमसे ना टकराना रे, टुपी टुपी टप टप, टुपी टुपी टप टप। लड़का है अल्लाह, हाय हाय रे अल्लाह, ये लड़का है अल्लाह, हाय हाय रे अल्लाह, लड़का बड़ा अनजाना है, सपना है सच है फसाना है, हाँ हाँ ये पगला बिल्कुल ना बदला, ये तो वही दीवाना है।
मैं तो तेरे नाल ही रहना जी, हर गम संग तेरे सहना जी, मैं तो तेरे नाल ही रहना जी, हर गम संग तेरे सहना जी, जी जो जग से कहा ना जाए वो मुझको बस तुझसे कहना।
हेलो नितिन, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हो आप बेटा? विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट। आपको हैप्पी बर्थडे की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। माता रानी करे सब व्यवस्थित ठीक हो जाए, सब अच्छा होए। बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं गौरव।
नितिन जी, many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Jia ji. Enjoy your day. Wish you a very happy birthday.
तू बड़ा शदाई।
आई नितिन, तेरे लिए बर्थडे की विशेष आई।
ओए सफेदी की चमकार, अब तो डाई कर ले यार।
डर मत यार, बीवी का बढ़ेगा ही प्यार।
ऑल द बेस्ट।
हैप्पी बर्थडे नितिन।
विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे नितिन।
नितिन हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। हेलो, और क्या चल रहा है?
Birthday, Nitin. Stay blessed always. God bless you, bhai.
Wish you happy birthday. God bless you. Give you prosperity in your life. I hope you are keeping well in your health.
Hi. Wishing you a very happy birthday, Nitin Bhaiya. It's such an honor, and I'm so happy to be able to wish you via this video. And I have such fond memories of actually accompanying Shorty Bua every day when she used to come and study when we lived in Sunshine. And I remember Raju Bhaiya, you, Aarti and Pooja playing together. I have such wonderful memories of you, of your kindness, your caring nature. I hope you all can come and visit us here in Sacramento. And once again, wishing you a very happy birthday. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi Nitin Bhaiya. Wish you a very happy birthday. And it is so sweet of Dipti to conceptualize the idea of putting a video together, of all family people and, surprising you. This is so sweet. For me, I have so many childhood memories with you. Flat number 7 and 8 Sunshine building were literally my second house, right? हम तो नीचे ही रहते थे practically. And I still remember Sharda Bhabhi's house, that whole layout and Sharda Bhabhi's room, and वो नीचे गद्दा होता था, and we used to all day in that balcony, that brown gadda, and we used to all day keep playing there. Me, Vandu, you, Pooja, so much of fun. I really cherish those days. And वो सनशाइन की सीढ़ियों से हम स्लाइड करते हुए नीचे जाते थे, एंड वी यूज्ड टू बी रनिंग अराउंड. आई थिंक वी वर ऑल ओवर द बिल्डिंग, राइट? द 5-6 बच्चे जो थे हम. सो वी रियली हैड गुड टाइम्स. एंड I remember specifically 2 incidents for which I would love to thank. One was that जब दिवाली होती थी तो बीजी के घर में चोपड़ों की पूजा होती थी, and as you all were also becoming big, you all also used to assist Jawar uncle and Vilash uncle and especially Raju Bhaiya. तो उसके बाद ना ढेर सारे पटाखे आते थे हम सब के लिए एक साथ। तो एक बात तो मुझे कभी समझ नहीं लगती थी कि लोग पटाखे दिवाली वाले दिन जलाते हैं। हमारी पूजा होती थी रात के 12 बजे, जो ख़त्म ही 1-2 बजे होती थी रात को। तो उसके दिवाली ख़त्म होने के बाद हमको पटाखे मिलते थे। तो दैट यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज बी माई साई। बट आई रिमेंबर दैट आपके घर में एंड राजू भैया द बिग बॉस यूज्ड टू हैव ऑल दोज क्रैकर्स एंड वेरी डिसिप्लिनली हम सब एक लाइन में आते थे बच्चे, बंधु, पूजा, मैं, अमूल, और हम सबको एक सेम मिलता था। सो हर चीज़ की उतने ही सेट्स आते थे, उतनी ही फुलझड़ियाँ आती थी, उतना ही सब आता था एंड देयर वाज नेवर एनी लड़ाई झगड़ा एंड अच्छे से वी यूज्ड टू वेट। All children used to attend that puja till 2:33 in the night just for those crackers, and it was so much fun. And the other thing I remember very very clearly, and I really want to thank you for that, is that जब हम पुलिस कॉलोनी में ऊपर रहते थे तो I was in the 12th and एक दिन मेरी तबीयत बहुत ख़राब हुई थी. I had severe bronchitis and cough. And next दिन morning मेरा एक पेपर था, शायद इकोनॉमिक्स का था या ओसी का कोई पेपर था, एंड यू गॉट टू नो दैट आई वॉज इन वेल. आप ऊपर आए एंड आफ्टर डिनर, मतलब आफ्टर कमिंग बैक फ्रॉम वर्क एंड ऑल दैट, यू केम एंड आप ऊपर यू सैट डाउन विथ मी आई थिंक फ्रॉम 10 o'clock टिल ऑलमोस्ट 1:32 in the morning एंड यू वर रीडिंग. आप जो भी मेरा सब्जेक्ट था ना, आप मेरी टेक्स्ट बुक लेके उसको पढ़ रहे थे, क्योंकि मैं तो एकदम ऐसे बेसुध सी थी, एंड आप पढ़ते जा रहे थे एंड आई वॉज लिसनिंग टू यू एंड मेमोराइजिंग माई सब्जेक्ट टू गो एंड गिव द पेपर नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग. सो दैट वॉज अ बिग थैंक यू बिकॉज यू रियली पुट इन दैट एफर्ट विथ मी. नहीं तो शायद मेरा 12th का वो पेपर मिस हो जाता. एंड यू नो यू रियली गेव मी द करेज. And I also always reached out to you for accounts doubts, right? Dipti, I must tell you, Nitin को ना actually CA बनना चाहिए था, but he was very good in accounts and he used to love solving problems, and you know he used to often come up and ask me कि कुछ है क्या, कोई doubt है क्या, and I used to really willingly reach out to him for books. So thank you so much. You know for me, मेरे लिए शैलेंद्र में और मेरे बीच में almost 9 years का gap है, right? So Shalinder was a brother who came much later in our lives, but I have grown up as a child seeing you and Raju Bhaiya as my brothers, and I really cherish that. Thank you once again so much, and wish you a very very happy birthday. A big virtual hug from your sister here, and we love you.
Happy birthday Nitin, God bless you, खुश रहो.
Happy birthday, Nitin. God bless you.
Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. God bless you. May you have the best in life.
Hi, Nitin bhai. How are you doing? Hope you're having a great day. A very, very happy birthday. Have a great year ahead. Lots and lots of love. A wonderful initiative by Dipti. Have a lot of fun today. Okay, all the best. Bye.
Birthday Nitin, God bless you.
To you जी, केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी, ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे, हमको उससे क्या मतलब बताओ जी.
Happy birthday Nitin. May all your wishes come true. God bless you. You're the best cousin, and I love you so much.
Hi Nitin, happy birthday beta. On this birthday, I want to share a very cherished memory about you. You were a very adorable kid, and believe me, you were so humble and nice. And I remember singing a very nice song when I used to put you to sleep. And I remember that over the time, you learned the song and started singing it with me. I hope you have a wonderful birthday, and may Bhagwan bless you with his choicest blessings. Thank you, love you, bye.
Hi Nitin, कुंवर बोल रहा हूँ. Wishing you many many happy returns of the day.
पापा की परी हूँ मैं.
पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा.
केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी,
happy.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Nitin. Lots of love and care. Stay safe. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nitin Bhaiya.
Happy birthday, Nitin. Happy quarantine birthday. Wish you a great year ahead and hope this thing ends soon so that we can celebrate soon.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Nitin. God bless you. Have a very nice, wonderful day.
It's your birthday, Nitin, and we are wishing you happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nitin. Happy birthday to you. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you for taking care of our little sister. You have an awesome day and year ahead. Hope to see you soon.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Nitin. Stay happy, stay blessed always. Enjoy your day. Have a blessed year ahead.
Hi Nitin, happy birthday. Have a fantastic day and a lovely year ahead. May all your wishes come true. You're a very, very nice person and you deserve all the good in your life. All the best.
Hi Nitin, happy birthday. God many happy returns of the day. God bless you with all the happiness and good health in life. Lots of love. Take care. Keep smiling and be positive.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. नाच पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे. Happy birthday, happy birthday. आज तो पार्टी जब तक फटते नाच पिजामा पकड़ के.
Wishing you a very happy birthday. Lots of love, light and happiness always. Stay blessed.
Hi Kanna. Many, many happy returns of the day. God bless. Take care. Have a good time.
Happy birthday to you, yeah. It's been what, 40 plus years knowing you. It's been great time, yeah, spending time together. Great memories. बस इतनी गिला है यार, कम बहुत कम मिलता है अब तुम. Let's meet up, yeah.
Happy, happy, happy birthday, Nitin. Wish you all the success and happiness that you deserve. God bless you. You are one of the gentlest souls that I know. Love you.
Hey Khanna, many happy returns of the day. Have a good quarantine birthday and stay blessed. Bye.
Hey, what's up, bro? You know, we've been friends since FIJC. First time I met you in FIJC and you were a very good person. I remember I won my CR elections because of you and the others, but you were like also one of the main guy who helped me to win my elections for CR. And from there our friendship really built up. So many things I want to say about you, you know. I mean, I remember one very funny incident. You used to teach me accounts and definitely you were very good in studies in college. Baki sab mein main acha tha. Khali studies mein you were very good. So you used to teach me accounts and I remember one day that next day you came to college and you said, I have forgotten everything after teaching. So I'm sorry for that, bro, but a lot of fun we've had. Happy birthday. Have a great day. Love you.
Then many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your birthday. Have a blast.
Hi Kanna. Wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday and a prosperous year ahead. May you achieve whatever you dream for. A very fond memory which I can recall of Khanna is during our college days when I used to go to his house, his Wali house, to study maths. I was really bad at maths and Khanna was a scholar, and so he agreed to teach me maths and spent a lot of time teaching me, and actually I cleared my maths is because of Khanna. So I'm really thankful. And one more thing which I really would love to look forward to go to his house was, auntie used to make this crispy lady finger, which was really amazing. And lady finger is my favorite vegetable. So that was also one more added bonus for me to go to his house, besides learning maths. So that is one of the fond memory which I have of Kanna. So Kanna, once again wishing you a very 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 happy birthday and enjoy your day. Bye.
यारों जी भर के जीले पल लगता है आजकल दौर अपना आएगा यारों जो खुद पे हो यकीन तो जिंदगी हंसी तुझे कल बुलाएगा यारों जी भर के जीले पल लगता है आजकल दौर अपना आएगा यारों जो खुद पे हो यकीन तो जिंदगी हंसी तुझे कल बुलाएगा है जुनून सा जीने में
लेंगे हम तो नहीं सोचेंगे हम भी कभी स्कूल के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना 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 ना
आएंगे ना
Nitin, this is the song which comes to mind when I think of you. बड़ी महंगी हुई है शराब के थोड़ी थोड़ी पिया करो पियो लेकिन रखो हिसाब कि थोड़ी थोड़ी पिया करो कि थोड़ी थोड़ी पिया करो
हैंडी बर्थडे ते की गिफ्ट करा
मैं क्या पेटी दे दे दारू दी
हैंडी बर्थडे ते की गिफ्ट करा मैं क्या पेटी दे दे दारू दी बर्थडे ते की गिफ्ट करा मैं क्या पेटी दे दे दारू दी
बोतला एना बोतला च